Agus inis ar an lína tá Caitríona Ní Dhonnchú. Tá Caitríona ina ballad actas chun go dóg for fergan of ceart ó Gaelcholáiste Reachrann in Neamhnach Míde. A Caitríona fáilte go dtí an clár?
Gurf míle maithagad agus gurf míle maithagad a socht an deis seo a thuair dúin ar fad bheith caintach.
Ok, a Caitríona, os rúna gur béh seo mo céad aglah Raidió leat, an féidir acu thuirt sum faoi stair Gaelcholáiste Reachrann agus an fá gohfuil tú agus a láin daoine ag feachtasíochta ar son na scoile?
Is féidir cínta so buíoch Gaelcholáiste Reachrann fé 3 bliain ó hin agus ag an am sin corcaí isteach in feidhmiú sealadacha sort prefab buildings agus bhíidir mar cuid de Grange Community School an sin bhí coppla seomra acu istigh an sin. So híl gatain ag an am nar a thosaigh an scoil amach go mbeadh siad mar sin ar feadh beidir coppla bliana agus an sin go mbeadh feidhmiú buan ag Gaelcholáiste Reachrann ach ní sin mar a hála rudaí farír. So tá siad fós istigh na prefabs tá fedó as trocha 3 seomar ranga mar prefabs ní lis gom go dtír cad an Ghaeilge cheart ar prefabs, but tá fedó as trocha 3 seomar mar prefabs, ní léon hala sport acu, níl cantín acu, ní léon áit gur féad leis an scoile le teach le chéile, tá misisiigh múna híos an Gael scoil méidir tá forgnamh áling a gcuine híos an sin, bíon tá hala mór a gcuin tagan an scoil fad le chéile gach seachtain fo chuine tin-eol agus is rud áling í sin, níl bailach ar bheith Reachrann é sin í dhéanamh. Sin ráite tá scoil ag feidhmiú just haar bar in anion na cnílacha seo tá acu tá spiridíntach sa scoil fi sin le feiscin tinné, but haar na bliantas tá spiridíntach ann an annach chuid irscoilóirí a bhí an Reachrann a bhíon na prefab seo gur gealach scoil nu a dóibh tá si san arás ag muoine sa scoil ins na prefabs céine an fós níl feirgnamh buan acu, but dearann sé annach chuid faoin scoil ghfuil annach chuid irscoilóirí arás sin ag muoine déitadís job áil in scoil ar beth really mar tá squin mar tá postan a do bhúntóirí faoi láthair máile lia, so déitadís post áil thuas a bóthrainn ceann na scoil na bratha nua seo ach tá de rás an Reachrann agus tá spiridíntach ann, but just níl feirgnamh acu.
Ok, tá an tagnamh seo a hafar a gcuin ar an déirdaí an féú héanú lá de bhína saona agus inné ag chéideanna bhí lá mór feachtasíochta agrathe a gcuibh nach raibh féidir níos máinte don fé?
Is féidir so an rud a hála ná gur tháinig grúpa tuismitheoirí le chéile bín tuismitheoirí ag gearran an tamar fad faoina cnílacha tá thuas sa scoil a chánig grúpa beag le chéile agus bharrtaigh siad achaní a chur le chéile agus chuise sin ar lína agus tháinig sinú rud a bhí iontach, so an rud atá a bhí bartathe tá brona an rud a bhí bartathe ná go racha grúpa beag tuismitheoirí agus coppla páiste isteach ag an Rhaine Dachas leis an achaní seo a thuirt don ara I Dachas agus ag an am chéine den bhí na páistí scoile ag rá mar haciacht ar seo go siúlatí semach ón scoil. So tróna inné gleithnig go dó I grúpa hartar 15 duine chuig isteachtaí an Bhaile mór tháinig irscoilóirí ó Gaelcholáiste Reachrann isteach, bhí grúpa ó Conradh na Ghaeilge ann bhí sé iontach spiridíntach isteach sin sa Bhaile mór agus chuir siad an achaní isteach ag an Rhaine Dachas agus bhí leat míle páiste a hiúil amach lena múntóirí á dróú agus tháinig annach chuid tuismitheoirí polatóirí amach chun taú lo freisin ag rá nachhfuil rudí magalóir. So tá sé imime haar fór bhí mar ciún roáda, so tá tosna caiintenis agus tásúla goin go stopig na polatóirí an caiinte agus sin seafóid agus go dúirg siad feirgnamh dóibh.
Thuna mé go raibh neart polatóirí agus iarrthóirí t-Olltoghchán ag an scoil inné take libh an raibh?
Bhí anna chuideá agus caiigh muid rá mar hisismitheoirí tá anna bhuiach as an takeíochta tá fáid goinúna polatóirí áitiúla, but ní lis gom cad a Harlíns nuair hés na polatóirí seo isteach sa dáil nuair atá si tofa mar ní dóilm go bhfuil an sort cuacht céine acu, so caiigh muid brúachar ar pe daoine bhína stig sa rialtas, be gorann brúachar an chéad ara Dachas eile t-aon agus muid an brú sin a chur thu mar sin an taon bailach braham sa tír seo gur féidir le aon duine éonrad a bhaintteach. So tíú shouts loud as wins, so gur féidir linne is féidir in leanúid raig tá díreach tosnar an bhachta seo an chéad céim, so tá Virginia chun bog a raig leis. So cé raibh na polytóirí áitiúla ionintach innéag, so si tuairt annach chu takeíochta dúin níor bhailim aon anam luú a haíonn den eile ar agla go bhácing daoine amach, but tá na polytóirí áitiúla ionta takeúil. Tá daoine sin go bhfuil páistí acu sa scoil, like polytóirí go bhfuil páistí acu sa scoil agus tá siad náirithe nach bhfuil aon réamhdhéanta.
Okay, agus ó hé freagraí a fór sibh ón Ryan Idigus, cadí an nuachtas déanaí fi hecín na scoile a Caitríona?
Well, tá gom go chur Cín Ó Callahan ceist ar an airad agus freagra thuairteach níor tháinig freagra rasú hí go fóil, but tá gom go bhfuil siad fós ag an stad cíine ar an ggóras is a bhís den 2017. So níl si trééis bog be suas ná síos fi ahrú ar na planan a bhí orthú dollarráis agus choiristeach ar an blan á a ríist, dúirt siad okay, bhfuil tá ahrú eile so bhí na sort na canílach ag ahrú an tamalaigh, so tá siad in sanád cíine sílam ina raibh siad in 2017, so caiig rudéig an ahrú láithreach.
So therefore nach bhfuil a lán winnig sa próses leis an Ryan Idigus, níl, no?
Níl, agus níl is gom cad a taigtarú, níl is gom an é má bhín ort ahrú i dhéanamh go dtíon tú síos go dtí bun an list a ríist, but níl se ceart go méoch rachrannig dul síos go dtí bun an list a ríist agus iad ag fannach breis fithe bliain ar orgnamh buin. So má tá ahrú le déanamh ar an blan or tuis de choiristeach ar an blanalt an scoil, ní lis gom cad tal déanamh, but caiig mud freagraí áil le fáid má cadgadíoch tal déanamh onas go méid an scoil tóca gan bhfuil. So ní hiic an próséis a gheart caiig mé rá, but caiig bhfuil rudéig an nach bhfuil i gheart, má tá scoil ina eile prabh suas síos, síos a chroch tá scoil nu a tóca leis de coppla bliain agus trí scoil eile thuas a chroch an rachrann fá camachas.
And now on the line is Michelle McGoldrick. Michelle is a spokesperson from the campaign for a permanent building for Gaelcholáiste Reachrann in Donemead. Michelle, welcome back to Near FM.
Thanks a million, Darren. Thanks for having us.
Michelle, I know that other people in Near FM have been covering your campaign for Gaelcholáiste Reachrann for a long time, including once or twice recently before today, so hopefully we don't need to repeat everything again, as many of our listeners today will be familiar with the school story. As this is my first time covering Gaelcholáiste Reachrann in an interview though today, Michelle, can you give me a bit of a summary of the road Gaelcholáiste Reachrann has taken over the last 20 years that has led to the current situation the school is in?
Okay, well, so the school they're 24 years waiting on a permanent school building, basically. They are in prefabs that long now. Some of the prefabs were second-hand when they got them, so they're completely not fit for purpose. I only kind of got involved at the start of the year myself. My son goes to the school, so it just kind of came about a group of parents who were given out, and we decided to do something about it. But I know that, you know, people before us, parents before us, and other people from the Gaelcholáiste Reachrann school community have campaigned previous to us for this. 3 government ministers have visited the school, and you know, they have got nothing but broken promises over the years. The planning permission was granted back in 2007 originally. Or no, they were put on the planning list back in 2007, and then it was granted in 2017. So it took 10 years even for them to get the planning granted at that stage. And then I think there was delays then. It went into COVID. Then the planning permission lapsed during COVID, and because of new planning regulations, when they resubmitted it, they had to change a few things on it. So the planning didn't get granted again until December 2023. Now, we've been putting pressure on since then and looking for updates since then. It's not really clear what stage it's at, because as far as the school is concerned, they're saying it's at stage 2B. But when we got onto the department, they're telling us that it's at stage 3, architectural planning stage 3, tender and action award. And it's with the design team to examine the implications of the new conditions. But we've been told that it's a priority for government, a priority for the minister since the beginning of 2024. We're now in November and absolutely no progress whatsoever has been made on it.
Okay. We are recording this interview on Thursday the 21st, and just yesterday and Wednesday you had a day of action for the school, did you? Can you tell me more about it?
We did indeed, yeah. So we set up a petition online. We got nearly 4,000 signatures on that, and then we liaised with the school as well. So a group of parents and children went into the Department of Education yesterday and brought in the petition to the department, and we done a protest outside, and then at the same time the school organised a walkout with all the students, and then the wider school community came to support, and then there was a few politicians there as well that came to support. We actually had 2 politicians in town with us as well, which was great to see that we have so much support for this now at this stage. And a number of them are saying that, you know, they're going to work with us on this issue to get it over the line once and for all.
Okay, I tried to arrange an interview this morning with the principal of Gaelcholáiste Reachrann, Fiona McGoldrick, on Air FM, but I understand that Fiona and the school management themselves are not allowed to do media interviews about the campaign. I believe, is that the case, is it, Michelle?
Yeah, I'm not 100% on that. As far as I'm aware, I don't think they have done any interviews yet anyway.
Okay, and you mentioned you had a couple of politicians with you in town yesterday. Can you tell me who the politicians are who are supporting you?
So Barry Heenahan and Bernard Mulvaney was in town with us yesterday. I know a number of politicians turned up to the demonstration at the school as well. So I know Cian O'Callaghan was there, Mícheál Mac Donncha, Tom Brabison, John Lyons, David Healy. Oh God, I hope I didn't leave anybody out.
The big councillors, Supriya or something.
Supriya Singh, Deirdre Heaney, Denise Mitchell. I really hope I'm not leaving anybody out now, but there was a number of them down there, and they're all saying that they're going to support us now going forward.
And Tom Brabazon, he's actually a parent in the school, isn't he?
He is, yeah.
I know, he's a general election councillor and general election candidate. I understand that there are approximately 500 students in Gaelcholáiste Reachrann. If or when a building is built for the school, Michelle, the school could conceivably be able to cater for more students than 500, couldn't it?
Yeah, so the new school building is going to cater for up to 600 pupils.
Oh, that's great, yeah. So, yeah, I don't know if you're aware, but Gaelcholáiste, Limney and Limerick got a new building only a couple of months ago, which means they will be able to cater for an extra 100 students, altogether 750 students. So you're saying you actually know how big the school is going to be, yeah? 600 students, yeah?
Yeah, 600 students, and like currently they don't have anywhere to assemble. They don't have a school hall. They don't, they don't have a canteen. So they'll get all them facilities that other schools have.
Okay, Michelle, it was great talking today on the RFM for the first time. Before you go, can you tell me? I think you might have already answered this, but can you tell me if you are expecting to hear anything soon in regards to the school, possibly getting the building soon?
Well, we're hoping so. I know Tom Brabison did get a reply back to say that it will go to tender in the first quarter of 2025.
That's fantastic,
but look, that we've heard that before, so I won't hold my breath, but look, I'm hoping with the pressure that we're putting on, and we'll continue to work with our elected representatives to make sure that we do get this over the line once and for all, because our children deserve better, and the teachers in the school deserve better as well. They shouldn't have to work in them substandard conditions.
Agus initiar an lína tá Councillor Mícheál Mac Donncha ó Sinn Féin. A bhíhil fáilte rascatí near FM? A bhíhil taise gom gur thug tú cóirte a Gaelcholáiste Reachrann a déanaí. An féidead achomhairt acro a hort dom fi calling and fa a will of factors shield modulus and skull fi lahar agus fin fa hog to court and skull.
Well, only one skull sha say car bliain o hin agus o hin an cuidas mountain school ag marachtal prefabs. So tá si ag fadacht an telm ar fad telm sin ar fad so for gan nua. So tá si scanlach bhfuil an fadacht có fada sin agus tá agad chuir céile níos ag na mheánscoil na mheántáirí na daltaí agus lucht takeíochta chun an chun breocóir ar an ara agus an rain chun an freirgad a nua a hapú. So sin an tachtas atá siúil.
Agus dagrig tú court le Mary Lou cúpla láhin freisin ná dagrig?
Kidta, yeah, hí Mary Lou ag tuair court ar an Gaelcholáiste agus bhí mar cruidiú idir Mary Lou agus an príomhide scoil agus an las príomhide. So hánig si bhuair si leis an príomhide las príomhide agus chonig si an scoil hain na prefabs galéir gachrod mar sin agus agus sin ar an géidean bhí agóid mór ag na daltaí hánig si galéir amach siúil siad amach ag scoil agus bhí agóid uaire acu ar an bóthar taobh an with agus bhí rán an t-Olltoghchán agus luchtaíochta
Okay, tá timpeall cúig scolar ag freastal ar an scoil faoi láthair. Dá meach fórgan of ceart agus níos fá spása acu, seans maiid go meach an scoil an cóir leis an líon daltaí sin agus bheith sé seo ina deascé nach meach.
Oh, Kinta, yeah, well, on plan, done further of nua, is still shakehead of Gael less further of nua. The exposed the shakehead dalty. So, you know, it's just Gael. Now, like the shake those cheaper, me, you know, go anuas, extuprock. Even looking at Gachite, Luan Dini and Scoil Shah. Maar de dalty scape het simpel Comhairleoirí Cliath Thuaidh agus níos leathlin ar sin túscart na carach agus túscart an chunta. So tá ná clanna a bhfuil imacu de facta seo.
Leir mé le Michelle McGoldrick an factas tiismothirí níos luúthe nu agus dúirt si go dúirt an roinn indicus bhfuil siad ag tinú go mé rud ag an tosathe go luath an bhliain siún a bhfuil muíon a got an a bhíhil go darlóí sé seo?
Well, nílim cinnte mar tá sé sin ráid a hena bhí mhuiil mór ar an planál bhí mhuiil mór ar an cinenne chun dul chun Caitríona sa hort dul a raigle seo. So caiimid an brú a chamad ar an rain chun é seo a dhéanamh. So ach bheith dóchas agam ó héh an acnisteach a bhfuil míad a chur brú sin agus go dtiocfaí tura má as.
And now on the line is Councillor Supriya Singh. Supriya, welcome back to Nair FM.
Thank you, Darren.
Supriya, I got in touch with you today to talk about Gaelcholáiste Reachrann. Can you first of all, Supriya, tell me what is your knowledge of Gaelcholáiste Reachrann and why there is a campaign for the school?
Darren, see, the Gaelcholáiste Reachrann is a vital school for the community in Donaghmede, and the fact that it has been operating without a permanent, properly equipped building for 24 years is absolutely unacceptable. And this issue has deeply impacted the students, staff, and families connected to the school. And it is a problem that should have been resolved long ago. And the number of emails I have been receiving from the residents from Donaghmede, from Sutton and Bayside, it breaks my heart. I recently visited the school and stood in solidarity with the students, staff, and parents who are campaigning for what is a basic right, a permanent school building. See, a school building is not about a luxury. It is an essential foundation for providing the education that these students deserve. And the campaign it is necessary because despite repeated promises, progress has been painfully slow. While the Department of Education confirmed that new grant of planning was received in December 2023, the design team is still reviewing the conditions and technical details tied to this planning. This ongoing review process has delayed the project further, and frankly, 24 years of waiting is far too long.
Okay, and you visited the school recently, didn't you? So you support the campaign, don't you?
Yes, I fully support the campaign and share the frustration of the school community. I mean, the Department of Education must stop delaying and prioritize this project immediately. This isn't just about a building, it is about ensuring that these students have access to the resources and facilities they need to thrive in their education.
The two Fine Gael general election candidates for Dublin Bay North, do the two of them support the campaign as well?
Yes, I mean, I am sure everybody would be supporting this campaign. I mean, they have been, see, frankly, a quarter of a century is far too long to wait for something so essential.
Okay, Supriya, your party, Fine Gael, have been in government for the last 14 years. Is there any hope that work will start on a building for the school anytime soon?
See, regarding the hope, I want to share that although the Department of Education has highlighted that this project is a priority, I mean, I have been in touch with them. We cannot see any progress as of now, but hopefully with the pressure building up, we might see a push on this. And we will continue to apply pressure until it is completed. I, along with the school, parents of the students who are in the school and the community groups, are committed to using every available platform to keep this issue at the forefront and to push the department to take swift and decisive action without any further delays. Darren, I'm not running for general election, but I am sure with everyone running for general election, they should be taking this as the higher priority.